This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the account already open. Go straight to Settings. Tap the three-line menu, then Account Center or Accounts depending on your app version. Once there, locate Shared Access, Linked Accounts, or People with Access. You need owner or admin rights to remove a user. Without that, you can only request removal. Make sure you're on the exact account to avoid disconnecting personal profiles. This step prevents accidental unlinking of other connected services. Now you remove access. Tap the user or app listed and choose Remove Access. Instagram usually shows a confirmation. Read it and confirm to revoke permissions immediately. If the person had device sessions, go to Security Login Activity and log out any unfamiliar or listed devices. Once done, make sure to rotate any shared passwords and unlink third-party apps to close remaining pathways. This prevents reauthorization and secures the account after removal. Finish by changing your password and enabling two-factor authentication. This prevents removed users from reaccessing. Also, revoke third-party app permissions under Security to stop hidden reauthorization. Once completed, Verify Login Activity shows only your devices. If removal fails or the user still appears, make sure they weren't granted ownership in Account Center. If they were, reassign or remove ownership first. If problems persist, contact Instagram support from the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.